Who is Lloyd? That's actually a great question. Lloyd invented electricity originally.
Lloyd is the most interesting man in the world who created his own masa recipe.
Lloyd is a man that's lived a little too much, probably loved a little too much.
My favorite thing working at Lloyd is definitely the coworkers.
It's a fun atmosphere. If you are looking in food service, why not Lloyd? I mean, that's kind of a no-brainer. Start here and see where you can go.
Man, I mean, it's the first food truck that came to Buffalo.
For us on the trucks, come in, load your truck up for the day, get it hot, get it ready.
I have to make sure I have all the food, my specials, make sure everything is on the truck appropriately for that day. Then after that, I mean, really it's just the operation.
Serve people for about 2 hours, come back here, clean up, wash the dishes, and go home.
If anything goes wrong, I mean, you always have your manager on speed dial. I mean, nothing really does go wrong. It's pretty smooth sailing.
The weight of the truck isn't so much on your shoulders, you know, it's more on the wheels.
You get trained in the slower shifts, so it's a good training facilitator because you get trained not at a really busy stop. You're gonna work your way there, so you're not getting thrown to the wolves.
For me, working for Lloyd has meant caring about how customers react to you. It's about giving them the best experience they you can.
And that's great, just going out there every day and just like interacting with those people, feeling the love, you know, trying to give the love back.
Why not work for someone who's fun, right?
I've never worked in a restaurant that people actually cared as much. I would say that. About the food, about the people. You can tell people really mean it. So that's cool.